जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम friends. How are you? Okay. You are seeing on your computer screen, this is a piston. Today we learn how to create this piston. It's very easy and simple Solidworks tutorial that how to create piston. We'll see a rotate view. You can see in, inside of this piston. Okay. This is the piston rings slots. This slots called piston ring slot here, and this holes for pin to connecting the connecting rod with this. Okay, we have all these dimensions to how to create this piston. Here all the dimension we have for creating this piston. Will make piston with the help of this dimension within millimeter. Okay, let's start to create this piston from new file. Close this. Okay, open a new file in SolidWorks. Open part here. Now first of all we'll select front plane and go to sketch, select a line, start from the center point. Here a vertical line and a horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. We will make 3 slots for the piston rings. This is last third, and here and last here. Okay, now after this we'll give dimensions with. Okay, here this total length from top to bottom is 81.28, and this from center to this corner is 63.50, 81.28 and 63.50. Okay, remember these dimensions: 81.28, and this dimension was 63.5. Okay, these all dimensions is in millimeter. So this dimension is 19 mm. Here 19. Okay, now select this line, shift key, select this line, sorry, not this line, again shift, select this line, shift key, select this line, and this line. Make collinear and vertical here. Now at the second, same procedure again, repeat this line, shift key, this line and this line, collinear and vertical. Okay, now select this line, horizontal, this line, vertical, this line, horizontal, this line, horizontal. Okay, this point and shift key, this point, select and make it coincidence. Okay, now again select dimension tool and give dimensions to this point. This length is 7.62 mm according to the drawing. Okay, and this line dimension is 7.62 divided by 2. Okay, 3.81. This line dimension, it was 2.54. Okay, here. Now you can see why I'll give 2.54. This is the depth of this slot is 2.54 for the piston ring. You can see here 2.54, and 3.81 is this distance of this slot, and here the distance from this to this is 7.62 according to this drawing. Okay, here 19 mm. This is 19 mm solid part from here to here, and other is hollow from here 19 mm under here to bottom. The part is hollow. Okay, this is 63 point. You can see all the dimension. Now this dimension of this thickness of this wall is 6.35. We'll give this dimension to this thickness. Again dimension tool, 6.35. Okay, now here 6.35, you can see one thing left here. Okay, again go to dimensioning tool, wait, not dimensioning tool, select this line, shift key, select this line, select this one, and last this one line, and make it equal. Okay, here 3.81, all the dimensions clear. 3.81. Okay, now our dimension is fully defined. Now at the last, simply exit and go to features and revolve boss space command. Select this line as axis here. Okay, now you can see simple piston body is ready, designed. Okay, here you can see. Okay, I think here you can see simple, not accurate upper side. So again go to here, sketch, edit sketch. Okay, this line make it horizontal, vertical, also horizontal, exit. Okay, now you can see this is accurate. Okay, now at this time select front plane again, go to sketch, here select corner rectangle, not center rectangle, corner rectangle here, and draw this. Again go to dimensioning tool, here we'll see dimensioning. Okay, what dimension? 43.18 and 76.20. We'll drawing this portion. Okay, 43.18 and this dimension was 76.20. Okay, now here select this center point, shift key, select this point, make it vertical. Okay, select this line vertical, this line vertical, this line horizontal. Here select the center point, shift key, select this line and midpoint. Okay, now here select this fillet. Fillet how much radius? 28. Okay, you can see here this radius. I am drawing this radius 28 mm. Here 28. Okay, this corner and this corner. Okay, here it's done. Okay, now at the last go to features and extrude cut. Okay, extrude cut how much? Direction 2. Will extrude in both directions. Okay, here revolve, rotate view, you can see this. Okay, this is great, simply created. Now we have one more fillet here, you can see this one. What's radius? 10 millimeter. Now this 10 mm radius here, fillet, select this one, sorry, okay, select this corner, select this one corner and this, these four corner selected. Okay, here 10 mm. Okay, you can see this radius given. Almost our piston is ready. Now at the last we'll make the flanges for connecting the connecting rod with the piston. For this, go to y axis, y view, and now this select and structure. Go to sketch, and here select a center rectangle. Okay, at the center, draw a center rectangle. How much dimension of this center rectangle is given here? It's 19 mm and 50.80. 19 mm and 50.80. Go to dimensioning tool. This dimension is 19 mm and this dimension is 50.80. Give it dimension here. Okay, go to this line and make it vertical. Control Z, make it vertical. This line, make it vertical. What is happening? Okay, from here. Okay, select this line horizontal. Select this line also horizontal. This line vertical. Okay, now I think it's right, correct. Now select this point, shift key, and select this center, make it vertical. Okay, now distance from center to this line, dimension, go dimension tool, select this point and this line. It is 15.88 mm. Okay, here all dimension is given. Now at the last, go to features and extrude boss base. How much extrude? It is 63.50. Okay, you can see this is going to here, this point to the end of this point. This is 63.50. So, extrude 63.50. Okay, here extrude. Now you can see it's extruded. Select this face and go to sketch. Okay, take a circle and draw a circle here. Go to dimension tool. How much circles dimension is 25.40 and the distance from center to this end is 25.40 also. 25.40. Okay, select this center and this last line. This is also 25.40. Okay, done. Not 35, was 25.40 here. Okay, now go to features, extrude cut. Okay, hello. Now at the last, fillet. You can see fillet here at this all sides or this flange. How much radius? The here radius from this corner is 12.50 and here at this side, on this side is 5. 12.70 and 5. Simple rotate view. Here select fillet command. This corner and this, sorry, this corner fillet and this corner and this corner 12.70. Okay, here done. Now fillet again use fillet command and now this time 5 millimeter. select all faces. Okay, 5 mm, done. Here now the view, you can see here filleted all this front view. Now see this front view, both are same, you can see here. Now at the last we have left it two commands. Here go to mirror command and select the face here, front plane, and features to mirror this extrude boss base, cut 3 and this last 4. Okay, here now you can see our piston is ready. Rotate view, you can see. At last we'll add some material. Go to appearance, here go to metal and select some metal. Let's suppose aluminium, you can see here. Thanks friends to be here and watching this video. If you like this video, if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe this. If you like this video, share with friends. If you have any question, then comment in comment question. I'll give answer of each of your question. Thanks friends.